Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am right in front of my very messy desk, as you can tell from the background, and I actually wanted to show you guys everything that I picked up from the Nykaa sale that's going on. They actually have the Christmas sale going on, and I think today is the last day. So if you feel like picking up anything while the offers are still running, and then today's the last day to do so. I should have put this video way before, but I forgot. But here's the video now. I am going to show you maybe like a look using like some of the products that I picked up, and also show you all of the products. I tried not picking up too much because Lord knows I don't need any more makeup. If you guys haven't already watched my IGTV video, I will link it down below. I finally organized everything, and now I know exactly everything that I have. And once you do that, you kind of realize that you shouldn't be buying any more stuff. So that's what this video is about. Let's move on to the products. Okay, so here is everything new that I picked up. This mascara isn't new, and this lipstick isn't new either, but I thought they'd go really well with the products that I have. I want to create a look, but the mascara is something that I've repurchased so many times. I love this, and this is something that you can also pick up during the sale. This is the Maybelline lip gradation in the shade mauve, and even this one is something that I wanted to wear as a base. I recently picked this up and I really liked it, and I was like, why have I not tried this before? It's so nice. I wear the shade Sun Beige and it fits me like second skin. But the stuff that I actually picked up during the sale is this one that I am so excited about. I've been looking forward to trying this palette. It's called Lemonade Craze from Maybelline, and honestly the only reason I picked it up is because of this color and this color right here. And everything else also is really pretty. They've got like quite nice corally shades. And I also picked up an Ofra highlighter. I love their highlighter. I mean, their highlighters are outstanding, and this is a beautiful peachy goldeny shade called Bali. And then I also picked up a Flower Beauty blush. This is in the shade Warm Hibiscus, and I thought it's such a beautiful shade. I actually tried the Flower Beauty products when I was in Guwahati at the Nykaa store, and I've been meaning to get this since then. And lastly, I picked up this Kiko Milano eyeshadow. I think it's called their water eyeshadow. This is in the shade number 203, and it's this beautiful warm burgundy shade. Oh my god, it's so stunning. You can use this wet or dry. So that's everything that I got. Now let's move on to actually using the products. Look at how beautiful this palette is. I think I'm gonna apply this shade right here all over my eyes. And then I'm gonna pick this yellow shade. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, trying all of the new products with me, and some old ones, old favorites. If you want to shop any one of them, it's going to be in the description, and if you want to shop the Christmas sale, it's going to be linked in the description as well. Let me know what videos you'd want to see next. I have my like episode 2, let's call it episodes, because it's like a series that I'm doing about 2019 makeup trends. So that's going to go up next. It's coming really soon. I'm already halfway into editing it, but let me know what you want to see next, and until then, bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.